These are now the trains to Candiac. Instead of using the low single level coaches, they now use these ubiquitous multi-level coaches here at Lucien L'Allier. And here are the original bi-level coaches from the 80s and maybe early 90s, I believe. Although I'm not sure exactly. I have to check. Seems I think these are actually from the early 2000s, because the 89 is when we got the original Comets, and they were running on the Vaudreuil line long before these. So I'll be waiting for this to leave as well soon.